Hi, I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Just a little milk, no sugar.
Any snacks or pastries today?
Yes, a chocolate croissant, please.
Coming right up. Do you want it warm?
Yes, please. That would be great.
All right. Your total is $6.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll have it ready in a minute.
Great. Can I sit by the window?
Of course, the seat near the window is free.
Perfect. I love this spot.
We try to keep it cozy for everyone.
It's very nice here.
Would you like a glass of water as well?
Sure, that would be lovely.
All right. Enjoy your coffee and pastry.
Oh no, I can't find my wallet.
When was the last time you had it?
I think at the food court.
Did you check your bag carefully?
Yes, it's not there.
Maybe it fell on the floor.
I already looked there. Nothing.
Did you leave it with the cashier?
No, I didn't. I think I need help.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out together.
Can we check the security desk?
Yes, let's go there now.
I hope someone turned it in.
Security is right this way.
Hi, I lost my wallet. Can you help me?
Of course, what does it look like?
It's black leather, small with a zipper.
All right, let me check the lost items, please.
I really need it.
Good news, someone turned it in this morning.
Oh no, the bus is leaving.
Wait, I'm running as fast as I can.
Hurry up, it's almost gone.
I can't believe we're missing it.
What time is the next one?
In 15 minutes.
That's too long. We'll be late.
Should we call a taxi instead?
It might be expensive, but faster than waiting here.
True. Or we can try walking.
It's too far to walk quickly.
Let's just book a taxi then.
Okay, I'll check the app.
Is one nearby?
Yes, 5 minutes away.
Good. We still have time.
I hate missing the bus.
Me too. Tomorrow, let's wake up earlier.
Deal. We won't repeat this again. My phone just died completely.
Oh no, what will we do?
I can't call a taxi or check the map.
Do you have a charger?
No, I left it at home.
Maybe we can borrow one from someone nearby.
That could work. Who should we ask?
Shh, that woman over there looks kind.
Okay, let's approach her politely.
Or we can try finding a cafe with sockets.
Good idea. They usually have Wi-Fi too.
Perfect, we can charge our phones there.
At least we can plan the rest of our trip.
Until then, let's stay calm.
I feel completely lost without my phone.
Me too, it's like my map and clock.
Let's walk to the cafe slowly.
Good idea. We can sit and recharge.
Maybe we can also get a coffee while waiting.
Yes, that makes it better than panicking outside.
I think we're lost.
Really? Which street is this?
I don't see it on the map.
Did you save the hotel address?
Yes, but my phone has no signal.
Mine is almost dead too.
Oh no, what should we do?
Let's look for a street sign.
I see one. Main Street.
But the hotel is on King Street.
Then we're far from it.
Should we take a taxi?
Yes, but where can we find one?
Maybe near that square ahead.
Good idea. Let's walk there.
Look, a man is selling maps.
Perfect. Let's buy one quickly.
Here's some cash. How much?
$3. That should be enough.
Great. Now we can finally navigate properly.
Who's it?
Hi, I am your neighbor from downstairs.
Oh, hello. What's the problem?
Angry. Sorry, but it's very loud tonight.
Loud music from our apartment?
Yes, it's shaking the ceiling.
Oh, we didn't realize.
We were just celebrating something.
I understand, but it's midnight.
You're right. We should turn it down.
We'll lower the volume immediately.
Thank you. I have work early tomorrow.
Sorry for disturbing you.
We appreciate your understanding.
Next time, we'll invite you as well.
That would be nice.
Good night, and thanks for telling us.
Be sure to enjoy quietly.
Okay, let's turn the music off now.
And maybe just chat instead.
Mark, where's Bella?
Bella? I thought she was in the yard.
No, the gate was open.
Oh no, she ran away.
I can't see her anywhere.
Don't worry, we'll find her.
What if she's lost?
Let's check the street first.
I'll look near the park.
I'll check by the shops nearby.
Do you have her photo on your phone?
Yes, I'll show it to people.
Good idea. Ask everyone around.
Wait, I hear barking.
Where is that coming from?
Near that tree over there.
Bella, come here.
She's running back, thank God.
Don't scare us like that again.
I'm so happy we found her.
Mark, the lights went out.
Yeah, the whole house is dark.
Did you pay the bill?
Of course I did.
Then why no power?
Maybe it's the street.
Let's check outside.
No lights anywhere.
So it's the whole neighborhood.
What should we do now?
We can use candles or the flashlight in the drawer.
Good idea. I found it.
At least we can see now.
I'll call the power company.
What did they say?
Power will be back in 2 hours.
2 hours. That's a long time.
Let's just relax and wait.
Maybe we can play cards together.
Oh no, I spilled coffee on my shirt.
That's terrible. Is it ruined?
I have work in 30 minutes.
Don't panic. We can fix it.
But this was my favorite shirt.
Do you have another clean one?
Yes, but they don't look very nice.
Just pick the best option.
Should I try washing it quickly?
No, it won't dry in time.
Why today of all days?
It's okay. You still look fine.
Easy for you to say.
Want me to help you?
Yes, please get me the blue shirt.
Here it is.
Thanks. Does it match my pants?
Perfectly. Looks great.
Are you sure?
100%. You'll be on time.
Oh no, the car feels strange.
Wait, I think it's a flat tire.
Really? Not today.
I'll stop the car.
Are we late for work now?
Maybe. Let's check the time.
It's 8:15. We have 30 minutes.
Don't worry. I'll look at the tire.
Is it bad?
Yes, completely flat.
Do we have a spare tire?
Yes, in the trunk.
Can you change it quickly?
I'll try. Hand me the jock.
Here it is. Do you need help?
Just hold the flashlight, please.
Is it working?
Almost on.
Good, because I'm nervous.
Tire is on now. We can go.
Mark, I tried the new dress.
How does it look?
It doesn't fit. It's too tight.
Oh no. Didn't you check the size?
Yes, but it feels small.
Maybe this store uses different sizing.
It's really uncomfortable.
Can you return it?
I think so. I have the receipt.
Good. Take it back tomorrow.
But I really liked it.
You can exchange it for a bigger one.
Do you think they have my size?
Probably. Or pick another style.
I don't want another style.
Don't worry. We'll fix it.
What about your shirt? Does it fit?
Honestly, it's too big.
So we both have problems.
Next time we must try clothes in the store.
Did you bring cash?
Oh no, I forgot.
We need to pay for groceries.
Do they accept cards?
Let's ask.
Hello, cash or card?
Can I pay by card?
Sorry, our machine is broken. Only cash today.
That's bad. We don't have cash.
Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, across the street.
I'll wait here with groceries.
I'll go get money quickly.
Please hurry.
No problem. I'll be back soon.
Don't forget extra cash next time.
I won't. Lesson learned.
Thanks for waiting.
Here's the cash. Problem solved. Hi, Mike. Did you get your blood test report?
Not yet. I'm still waiting.
When did you take the test?
2 days ago.
It should be ready now.
Maybe I should call the clinic.
Yes, that's faster.
Hello? I'd like my blood test report, please.
Sure. May I have your name?
Mike Johnson.
One moment, please.
Do they have it?
She's checking now. Yes, it's ready for pickup.
Thank you. Can I get it by email?
Yes, we can send it today.
That's perfect.
Good. No need to go there.
Yes, that saves time.
Are you nervous about the results?
A little, but I feel fine.
I'm sure it's all good.
Thanks, Lisa. You're always positive.
I try to be.
I'll check my email later.
Let me know when you get it.
I will.
Health is important, right?
Absolutely.
Mike, why are you upset?
My parents read my phone messages.
Oh no, really?
Yes, I told them not to.
Maybe they were worried.
I know, but that's my privacy.
Did you yell at them?
Yes, I got angry.
You should talk calmly next time.
I will try.
Parents sometimes don't understand phones.
True.
They think I hide something.
Maybe explain why you feel upset.
That's a good idea.
They love you, just want to protect you.
Yes, I know that. You can show them safe apps you use.
That might help.
Then they'll trust you more.
I hope so.
Don't stay mad too long.
No, I'll talk tonight.
Good. Calm words work better.
Thanks, Lisa.
You're welcome.
I feel better after talking.
I'm glad. Excuse me, Mike. Where's the nearest bus stop?
It's 2 blocks from here.
Which direction?
Go straight and turn right.
Near the supermarket?
Yes, just beside it.
Oh, I see it now. Are you taking bus 15?
Yes, to the city center.
That's the right stop. How often does it come?
Every 15 minutes.
Great. I won't wait long.
The next one is at 3:20.
Perfect timing. Do you have a bus card?
Yes, I topped it up yesterday.
Good. The driver prefers that.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime, Mike. Maybe I'll see you on the bus.
Sure, I go that way often.
Nice. We can chat on the ride.
Sounds good.
Mike, I went to buy that blue jacket today.
Oh, did you get it?
No, it's sold out.
That's too bad.
I asked when they'll restock, but no one knew.
Maybe ask the shop assistant again.
Good idea. Excuse me, will this jacket come back soon?
Let me check her system.
Thank you.
It will restock next Friday.
Great. Can I reserve one?
Yes, just write your name here.
Done. Thanks so much.
That's lucky.
Yes, I really wanted that color.
It suits you well.
You think so?
Definitely.
I'll come back next Friday then.
I can go with you.
Perfect. Shopping together is fun always.
Hi, Mike. What juice are you getting?
I think mango.
You?
Maybe orange with carrot?
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I need more vitamins.
Same here.
Excuse me, 2 juices, please.
Sure. Which sizes?
Medium, please.
For me, too. Anything else?
No, that's all.
This place smells fresh.
I love fruit shops.
Me too.
The music here is relaxing.
Yes, it feels like summer. Here are your juices.
Thank you.
Cheers, Lisa.
Cheers, Mike.
Tastes great.
Very fresh.
Let's come here again.
Good idea.
Mike, my inbox is full again.
How many emails today?
Over 100.
Wow, that's crazy.
I can't read them all.
Maybe delete the old ones.
Yes, but I get new ones every hour.
Are they work emails?
Mostly. Some are just ads.
You can block spam mail.
How do I do that?
Click unsubscribe at the bottom.
Oh, I'll try that.
Also, make folders for work and personal.
That's smart.
It helps keep things clear.
I need to organize tonight.
Want me to help?
Sure, please.
We'll make it tidy fast.
Thank you, Mike.
No problem.
My eyes hurt from reading too much.
Take a short break.
Good advice. Mike, do you go to the library often?
Yes, I love reading.
I want to borrow some books too.
Great. Do you have a library card?
Not yet.
You can get one at the front desk.
Hello. Would you like to join the library?
Yes, please.
May I see your ID?
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your card.
That was easy.
Now you can borrow books.
Awesome. What kind of books do you like?
Travel and simple stories.
I like history books.
You read serious stuff.
Haha, sometimes.
Let's find some books now.
Sure, I'll help you look.
Thanks, Lisa. Mike, I need to send a parcel to Japan.
Oh, what's inside?
Some gifts for my cousin.
You can send it at the post office.
Yes, but I don't know the forms.
The post clerk can help you.
Hello, how can I help?
I want to send this box to Japan.
Please fill this customs form.
Okay, done.
Do you want standard or express delivery?
Express, please.
That will take 4 days.
Perfect. How much?
$25.
Here you go.
Thank you. It's all set.
Thanks for your help.
That was fast.
Yes, easy and clear.
I'll use express next time too.